Alright, Justice. What's the story behind this one? Pull your wrench out of there. Let's take a good look at that.
Well, when you see, yeah, this is a 14mm wrench, you know, it's probably...
So, okay, so what's the story behind this?
Okay, so these old 450s, man, you get them running right, they'll crank to the moon, right? Shit like that usually happens.
So, like, what were you doing?
Probably stomping Jibby, or chasing some Harleys down, passing some Harleys, dropping a couple gears. This is the old motor, but we need the tranny out of this one because I blew a gear in the 500. I guess I'm just good at blowing shit apart. Somebody's got to be good at something, right?
Yeah. And so, where was Jibby in all this?
Probably behind me. I guarantee.
Way behind you.
Until he passed me, because I couldn't run no more, you know.
I'll say,
Ball.
You ride a bike like a normal person.
Well, we got a good gasket.
no, that baby's junk.
No.
Totally junk.
Dude. It's mint. There ain't no
Dude,
cracks in it.
That one's been around the block
That's
a
okay.
couple times. You gotta buy a new one.
Quit blowing shit up.
Yeah, that's it. It's a lie. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
I guess I'm just good at blowing shit apart. Somebody's got to be good at something, right?
Yeah. Come on,
Can't
yell out.
do it.
Come on.
I can't do it. I don't like being recorded.
Oh, come on.